Welcome back to today's mechanic shop, and today we're going to be filming another upgrade for the Mustang SX50. And for those that have been following the series, it's a 2024 Mustang GT. It's a 401A package, and it does not come with engine oil cooler, right? It is something that Ford left behind on these cars, but the application for this vehicle is going to be mostly on racetracks and track days. So this is a very nice upgrade to keep up with the longevity of the engine and also to keep the oil temperature down. Okay, oil temperature down means more performance, means less chance of breaking down. And today what we got is an MMR engine oil cooler upgrade kit. It is a very viable solution for those that don't want to pay all the much that Ford asked for this kit. It is a $600 kit versus a $2,000 that you would spend on Ford original parts. It is pretty nice. It also relocates the oil filter, and it changes the style of the oil filter from the regular engine oil filter to a GT500 style oil filter. And today you guys are gonna see all the installation process of that. It is another upgrade and there's more to come. So stay tuned if you like this kind of video, and hit like, hit subscribe. It's very important for us. So thank you very much for watching.